Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to enable pop-up blocker on Safari in macOS. Open Safari browser. Click Safari, Preferences. Click Websites. Click Pop-up Windows. Select Block under when visiting other websites. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.